So having surrendered their Manning Cup title, Kingston College turned up like a team possessed to topple the high-flying Clarendon College and win their second Super Cup title over the weekend. And so the big question now is Kingston College, having beaten the previously unbeaten and impressive Clarendon College, is KC the best team in schoolboy football this season? I mean, before Saturday's big victory, KC was unbeaten but was not the most impressive team in the Manning Cup. That honor would go to St. Andrew Technical, while Clarendon College, after dispatching Woolmers and Stacks on their way to the Champions Cup final, playing their slick passing game, everyone said CC was the team to beat. So does it then follow that KC, having beaten CC, makes them, KC, the kings of schoolboy football this season? Nothing like that. If St. Andrew Technical or even Jamaica College wins the Manning Cup and the Olivier Shield, and if Clarendon College or even Dint Hill wins the DeCosta Cup and the Olivier Shield, either would have had a better season than KC. If they were even to share the Olivier Shield, they would still be ahead of KC. So while we are saying big up to Kingston College, congrats on winning the Super Cup again. You're not the GOAT this season. You're not the GOAT of schoolboy football. You're not even the GOAT kid.